Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? So, in this video today, we'll be talking about how you can write on this particular website and how you can charge your writers and how much writers get paid on this particular website. So, as you can see, for a blog post, you can charge $200 for one blog post. Hello guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Actually, if you're a new subscriber, thank you for tuning in. Please click the subscribe button because you'll be getting beautiful content, money making ideas, tutorials from this particular channel. And if you haven't liked this video, please like the video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. So as you can see, writers are on this particular website get paid for different types of writing. That reminds me, if you have not subscribed to our Telegram channel, what are you waiting for? We do upload premium content on our Telegram channel. So just hit the link in the description box and join the channel. Thank you. So there are different types of writing that you can dive into as a writer, and there are different phases depending on what you can do or what you can write. So as you can see on this particular website that I am about to show you guys, you can charge as high as $200 for just one blog post. For an article post, you can charge $250. For white paper writing, you can charge $750. For case study, you can charge $250. For sales collateral, you can charge $100. So for email and newsletter, you can charge $100. For just social media post, you can charge $30. So on this particular website, you can charge website copy, just sales copy, you can charge $100. Direct mail, like if you can write emails for people, you can charge $100 on this website. So this is the question and answer section, the frequently asked question and answer section. It says, how do writers find work? It says, how do writers find work? By having a strong profile, pitching content ideas, and applying to assignments. Because on this website, you see a lot of assignments. You understand? You see a lot of assignments. It is just like iWriter. You get, it is just like iWriter. But why iWriter you pay like they pay like 3K or 5K for an article. You get it. I have a video on iWriter where you can write and get paid. I'll be leaving the video link in the description box. You can also check it out. You understand? On this website, you just sign up and fill in your profile, fill in a strong bio and all of that, and then you start applying for jobs privately. Most projects are sent privately with open assignments counting for less than 2% of all payments. So what they're just trying to say is that you can apply for as many assignments as you want, but the point is the poster will actually write you privately to hire you. So you guys will negotiate on how much you want to charge the client for the job. It says, how much can I earn? If you're an experienced writer, the sky is the limit. N Dash has several writers who earn six figures in a year, with average assignment prices ranging from $150 to $450. So there are writers on this website that earn six figures. I mean, when they mean six figures, they mean millions of dollars every year. You get, and most of them, their average assignment is just like $150 to $450 per job. So if you're just new on this website, you can charge maybe like $100, maybe like $50. In Nigerian currency, that would be like, let's say, like 35K. If you decide to even charge $50 for an article, you get. The problem I have with Nigerians going on this article, or Africans going on this article, you know that this website, they pay you in dollars. Once you convert it to your own currency, it will even pay you times 2 or times 4 of what, you understand, of what they're actually paying. I don't know if you get me. So, but you will come on this website and you will now come and be charging as high as those that have been on this website are charging. You understand? As high as those that have spent years on this website, you come and be charging the same amount of money with them. It doesn't work like that. If you are new on a particular website, either you're creating gig or you're writing an article, please bring down your price a bit. I'm not saying you should devalue your knowledge. You understand? But I'm just saying that if you reduce your price a bit, it will create more opportunities for you to get more clients. That's just what I'm trying to say. You understand? So let's just try and for instance, if a client for this job that is like $100, let me just check it. Let me show you guys here. Okay, for this particular website copy that is like $100 on this website, you can actually charge your own for like $50. Now, $50 in Nigerian currency is about 35K. In some currency, it is more than that. In some currency, it is lesser than that. But before you get someone in Nigeria that will tell you to write a website copy and will still pay you 35K, Olofa. I don't know if you understand me. It actually goes a long way. Or someone that would ask you to write an email and will still pay you 35K. It's rare. You understand? So let's just share our knowledge and understand how these things should work. If you're starting out on a new business, please bring down your price. It's as simple as that. I'm not saying you should devalue yourself too much, but just bring it down a bit so that your client will say, okay, I think this one is affordable for me, so I can go for this. You understand? Now it says, what are the clients like? The vast majority of N dash clients are B2B brands and agency looking for blog posts, white papers, and other long form pieces from seasoned freelancer writers. So this is just basically a freelancing website where you come and write and then you get paid. You understand? Now on this website, they don't allow you to use pen names. You get me? So without wasting much of our time, the name of this website is N dash. The name of the website is N dash. So you can just type in n-.com. N-dash, n-.com. So once you click on n-.com, as you can see, it says legit brands. There are a lot of legit brands on this website. Fast payment, you get fast payment. Full transparency. You see everything that is going on, how much you are earning and everything, earning potentials. So it says, aside from paid project, N-Dash offers a lifetime royalty for all successful company referrals. So aside from those that will give you work to do and they will pay you, if you have a client that is also looking for a job, you can send your N-Dash link for them to sign up and hire extra people. So you get more, how will I put it? You get more royalties from this particular company. You get. So when you come on this particular company, you have to click on the writers sections. So once you click on the writer sections, you click on writers sign up. Once you click on writers sign up, you sign up as a writer. It's loading. So for the writer sign up, as you can see, it is very, very simple and easy to sign up. You understand? It is very, very simple and easy to sign up. You just sign up using your first name, your last name, your email, and your password. So that's easy for you to sign up. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Please drop in the comment section what you think about this website.